In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit an author profile in Squarespace. We'll be working inside your Squarespace account settings where you can update the personal details that appear as part of your author profile. This is useful if you want your blog posts or content to display the correct name, website, and bio, and it only takes a few moments to update. To get started, go to your Squarespace account and click on Account Settings. This is where Squarespace stores your profile information, including the detail connected to your author identity across your site. Once you're in the settings area, begin by editing the first name field. Enter the first name you want associated with your author profile. This is important because it helps identify you clearly, especially if your site has multiple contributors or authors. Next, move to the last name field and update it as needed. Together, your first and last name help create a complete profile, and making sure both are accurate keeps your author information looking professional and consistent. After that, edit the display name. This is the name visitors are most likely to see publicly, so choose the version you want shown on your site. For example, some people prefer to use their full name, while others use a shorter professional name or brand-friendly variation. Make sure it matches how you want to present yourself to readers. Then enter your website in the website field. If you have a personal site, portfolio, or another professional web page, this is a great place to include it. Adding a website can help connect your author profile to your broader online presence and gives visitors an easy way to learn more about you. Next, update your bio. This section gives readers a quick introduction, so keep it clear, relevant, and aligned with your role or expertise. A strong bio can add credibility and context, especially if you regularly publish articles or blog content. Even a short bio can be effective as long as it explains who you are and what you do. Once you've reviewed all of your changes, click Save. This final step applies your updates and ensures your author profile information is stored correctly. And that's it. Your Squarespace author profile is now updated with your name, display name, website, and bio. It's a simple process, but keeping this information current can make a big difference in how your content appears to readers.